Oh, they're moving.
Keep going away?
They're coming down.
You may not be able to take it to the glass area though.
I know. Wow, they're comfortable with this. Look at them.
Yeah.
4 of them are on the lawn. We have deer in our backyard. 4 of them are right here on the lawn. Just about.
It might be able to take it out of that side.
How,
Screen.
how far are they from us?
30 feet. 20 feet.
That far?
20 feet maybe.
Is the door unlocked?
No.
Okay, never mind.
That was just morning.
They're pretty, I can't get, they're pretty, comfortable with us. There's 5 of them. There's 6 of them, because there's one up on the hill. Don't know if you can see it, it's up there, on the hill. This one's coming over to say hi.
Can you see it good or not?
It hurt you. You scared it. Hi. How are you?